In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make.com to Gmail. By the end, you'll have Gmail plugged into Make so you can automate tasks like sending messages, watching your inbox, or marking emails as read without lifting a finger. First, log in to Make.com and open the scenario editor. If you don't have a scenario yet, click Create a new scenario from the dashboard. This is the canvas where you'll add apps and link steps together. Think of a scenario as your automation blueprint. Each bubble you add is a module that performs a specific job. Next, add Gmail. Click the plus button on the canvas, search for Gmail, and choose the module that matches what you want to do. Triggers like Watch Emails start your scenario when new messages arrive, while actions like Send Email or Mark as Read change something in your mailbox during a run. You'll also find options to get email details, move messages, or delete them. Pick the one that fits your workflow. If you're not sure, Watch Emails is great for testing because it pulls in a sample message. When you select your first Gmail module, Make will prompt you to add a connection. Click Add or Create a Connection. A Google window opens. Sign in with the Gmail account you want to use and approve the requested permissions. This uses Google's OAuth, so you're granting access securely without sharing your password. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check the avatar in the top right of the login window so you connect the right inbox. You can also give the connection a friendly name to keep things organized. With the connection in place, configure the module. For triggers, choose where to look, such as a label or folder, and set criteria like unread only or specific senders. For actions, fill in details such as recipient, subject, body, and attachments. If your scenario will pass data from other apps, use the mapping fields to insert dynamic values. For example, merge a customer's name into the subject or drop a file from a previous module into the attachment field. Clear, descriptive content helps with troubleshooting later. Now it's time to test. Click Run once in the scenario editor. If you chose a trigger, Make will scan your mailbox and pull a sample. If you chose an action, it will perform that task, like sending a test email or marking one as read. Watch the bubbles in the editor and open the execution log to confirm each step succeeded. It's also smart to check your Gmail inbox or sent folder to verify the result matches what you expected. That's it. Your Gmail account is connected to Make. From here, you can refine filters, tweak fields, and build on this foundation to automate more of your email work with confidence.